Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equal to sin t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about sin t square plus 1, and then we need to change this one into cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. The s you got about cos t dt. This one we put about sin t in here, and here the s we change by this one. So we have the formula in here. That's about cos t square minus sin t square equals to number 1. So I will put this one go to the right, and you got about cos t squared equals to 1 plus sin t squared. So this one you got about cos t squared. This one you got about cos t. Cos t you got about cos t square. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cos t. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dz equals to sin t dt. This one you got about z square sin t dt, you got about dz. The integration of z square, you got about z to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About z, that's about cos t. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equals to arcsin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.